Whoa! Yes, I did. I did cut my beard. But let me start by saying, bro, you already know we out here, man. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon. And if you're new, my name is Marlon. And as you can tell by the title of this video, it's gonna be a very fun one. Yes, today I will be doing a twist out. And as you can see, I have all the products I'll be using in this video today, which is basically a curl and shine hair mask and a gel to lock the ends of the twist, and a spray bottle just in case my hair gets dry. Oh Marlon, you don't even need to do twist out because you already have a curly hair. I want to try these hairstyles. Before we get started, let me let you guys know what I have in my hair right now. I just have the curl enhancing smoothie. This is a regular wash and go, and I just applied that product to my hair as a leave-in. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start by parting my hair in two. You know, I don't have one of those rat tail combs. I don't have one of those rat tail combs that you use to part your hair. So I just tried my best with a regular comb. And by the way, this is my first time ever twisting my hair. I don't know how to make correct parts. So if I'm doing something wrong, just let me know down in the comments. I appreciate the feedback. And now I'm going to be using the Curl and Shine Hair Mask by Shea Moisture. I'm going to be applying it to my hair while detangling it. Then I'm going to split it into two parts, which is going to be my foundation of the twist. Then I'm going to proceed with twisting my hair all the way down to the ends. When I finally reach the ends, I'll be using a gel to lock the ends to prevent any unraveling. Before I started, I thought, how could these twists stay in without unraveling? But then I found this gel and I realized gel will lock that in place. So make sure you use a gel. Look at that one twist. It's okay, you know, first twist ever in my whole entire life. Pretty good, you know. I'm gonna start with the second one. Honestly, I know you guys don't want to see me twist my whole head of hair. So I'm gonna fast forward this until I'm on my last twist on my hair. Wow, that lighting is good. I am so grateful for that lighting. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. And now I'm officially done twisting my hair. It was pretty interesting to see my hair shine this much. This is a video an hour later. You see that? The right side, this side right here is when I first started, and this left side is when I started to get the hang of it. As you can see, the left side looks way cleaner than the right side. Man, what can I say? I'm a fast learner. And I know you guys would like to know how long I kept the twist in before taking them out. Well, I kept it in overnight, and I used a satin bonnet when I went to sleep. And as you can see, the twists have no frizz at all. It's just kind of flat on the back, but you should expect that. And next, I'll be using random oil I just found in my bathroom. I'll be using this oil, so this twist out process is gonna just be easier for me and produce the least amount of frizz. It takes some time to do a twist out, so I'm just gonna fast forward. And look how curly it is. Like, what the heck? Curly. Okay, so here's like the final product. Not the final, but it's pretty much the final product. Because you see most of the curls and you see the pattern. But now I'm just gonna split the curls apart where it naturally splits. Thanks to Juwan Gaines, that's how I know. And there you go. That's the twist out. It looks pretty curly to me. Man, I really hope you learned something today, and maybe you could implement it into your routine, and maybe you can get the curls, cause you know what they say, curls gets the girls. No, but for real, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for supporting. Since you're here already, let's watch this hilarious video of me surprising my mom when I shaved my beard. Okay, so I just went to the barber, you guys, and I just cut off my beard. And I just got the goatee, you feel me? Looking clean. Alright, my mom doesn't know that I did this. So, let's go see her reaction.
Hello! What are we doing? Oh! kid.
Bruh.